Welcome to Introduction to the FreeBSD Open Source Operating System Live Lessons. I am Dr. Marshall Kirk McCusick. I earned an undergraduate degree in electrical engineering from Cornell University. At the University of California at Berkeley, I earned a master's degree in business administration and a PhD in computer science. At Berkeley, I worked with Bill Joy on the early releases of the Berkeley software distribution, generally just shortened to BSD. I took over managing the BSD project when Bill left to co-found Sun Microsystems. The BSD project at Berkeley finished 10 years after I took over with the release of a freely redistributable open source distribution called 4.4 BSD Lite. Several open source projects started based on the 4.4 BSD Lite release, including FreeBSD, NetBSD, and OpenBSD. Following the final release of 4.4 BSD Lite, I left the university to become a self-employed consultant. I work with companies that base products on FreeBSD. In addition to my consulting business, I am a member of the board of directors of the FreeBSD Foundation, a 501c3 organization that raises money to support the FreeBSD project. I am an author of 4 books about the BSD kernel. The first 2 describe the 4.3 BSD and the 4.4 BSD releases from Berkeley. The 2 most recent books describe the FreeBSD kernel. This course is an overview of a 15-week class that I teach based on the most recent book, the second edition of the design and implementation of the FreeBSD operating system. What I'm going to cover. In the first lesson, I'm going to give you an introduction to the FreeBSD community. In the second lesson, we will have an introduction to the FreeBSD kernel. The third lesson will cover processes, the fourth lesson virtual memory. The fifth lesson will be an overview of the I/O system. The sixth lesson will cover devices. The seventh lesson will be the fast file system. The eighth lesson will be the ZFS file system. The ninth and final lesson will cover networking and inter-process communication. Let's get started.